Cropping patterns. Cropping patterns refers to the crops, crop sequences and management techniques used in a particular agricultural field over a period of years. In order to get maximum benefit from the piece of land, different patterns of growing crops are followed. These are mixed cropping, intercropping and crop rotation. Mixed cropping. The practice of cultivating two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land is called mixed cropping. During mixed cropping, if one crop faces adverse conditions or pathogen attack, then the other crop can be saved. Objective of mixed cropping is to minimize the risk against crop failure due to abnormal weather conditions. Some important combinations used by farmers during mixed cropping are wheat and mustard, groundnut and sunflower, barley and chickpea, etc. Advantages of mixed cropping: increase in yield, optimum utilization of soil, minimum pest infestation, no risk of crop failure. Farmers can harvest varieties of produce at the same time. Intercropping. The practice of growing two or more crops simultaneously in the same field in a definite row pattern is called intercropping. The row pattern may be in the ratio 1:1, 1:2 and 1:3. It means after one row of main crop, 1, 2 or 3 rows of intercrops can be grown. Objective of intercropping is to increase the productivity per unit area. Advantages of intercropping. It helps to maintain the soil fertility. It makes better use of resources. It economizes space and time of cultivation of two or more crops. Each group can be harvested, threshed and marketed separately. Since the seeds of the two crops are not mixed before sowing, fertilizers can be placed as per the need of the crops. Crop rotation. The practice of growing different crops on the same piece of land in a pre-planned succession is called crop rotation. Depending on the duration, crop rotation is classified as 1-year rotation, 2-year rotation and 3-year rotation. Selection of crops for rotation. Most commonly, legumes are included in the crop rotation program. They are used to increase soil fertility. Those crops which require high fertility levels like wheat may be grown after growing legumes like peas. Thus, high input crops such as sugarcane, potato, maize, wheat and rice may be grown before low input required crops. Thus, while doing selection of crops for crop rotation, the following points should be checked. Availability of moisture through rain or irrigation. Nutrient availability in soil. Availability of inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, labor and machines. Duration of crops, long or short. Marketing and processing facilities. Advantages of crop rotation. Fertility of soil is maintained for a longer period. The chemical nature of soil is not altered. It helps in weed and pest control. It saves a lot of nitrogen fertilizers.